Ooh. Here will come. Ooh. I'ma see what you got for me, baby. Hey, what you got for me?
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with gorgeous Sasha, who is going to be my model. We are going to be shooting at this beautiful location here in Tulum. I'm going to be walking you through how I take the photos, how everything is done and so on as always. Before we get into this video, make sure to check out Sasha. She's going to be linked in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button to not miss any of my future uploads. And let's get right into the video. Psst, you all know what's coming. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in platform that will help you make your dream website, portfolio, or an online shop become a reality. Squarespace has hundreds of beautiful templates, so you will definitely find something that suits you and your personal style. You can build a professional portfolio website in a matter of hours, and you will be able to customize it every step of the way, so it's so you that nobody can deny it's not. As we all know, social media presence is power, and with Squarespace, you'll be able to auto-post all your content to Twitter, Facebook, or Tumblr with proper tags and descriptions. Finally, Squarespace helps you with the marketing. They help you with SEO, as well as some plugins for Instagram stories and so on, as well as share buttons, so your followers can give you some juicy shoutouts on their social media. If that sounds like something you'd like to try, make sure to go to squarespace.com for a free trial. And once you're ready to go, use my code squarespace.com/Anita to receive 10% off your first purchase. So this is going to be our location number one. We are here under this palm tree. We have some really nice shadows, so if we can get you a bit more into the sun, I think. Yeah. So I kind of want it like on you. Yeah, exactly, a tiny bit. Perfect. Nice. Okay, let's get you out into the sun a bit more. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, it's really nice. Beautiful. Yeah, lovely. Gorgeous. So we're just using the palm trees a tiny bit to kind of create some nice shadows, but not too much. Beautiful. Yeah, that's lovely. So yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, so we're getting some really nice tropical vibes. We're getting the palm trees in the background. We're getting really nice soft light, so it's really beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, tiny little cloud. So I'm shooting from down here because we're getting a bit more of the palm trees and just the surroundings. That's gorgeous. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, that's amazing. So my settings at the moment are 2500 per second, 2.8. Beautiful. Yes, perfect. So we're having that lovely, palm trees, beach. Beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. So I'm shooting from lower down because I just prefer the angle. I think it accentuates the model curves always. Beautiful. Yes, love that. So as always, we're putting quite a lot of body oil on Sasha because we like our glow. Yes, love that. Love that angle when you're leaning. Yeah. And just raise your arm ever so slightly. Yeah. You can still hold it, but just have it up higher, basically. Yeah. Okay, so at the moment we're trying to frame our model within the palm leaves, so it's just a bit more interesting. Beautiful. So it's not just like white sand, so we have some other things going on. That's really cool. Oh, hello. So regardless if I'm shooting in the shade or in the sun, I always make sure to slather my model with the body oil. This time I used Banana Boat because it was the one available in the supermarket basically. My choices were kind of limited. But whenever I shoot, if I shoot in the shade, I always apply a tiny bit of extra body oil as well, because you need it, because you don't have that natural light reflection of the model's skin, so it's not going to be as visible, and you can literally really lather it on. It will probably mark your swimwear, so just make sure that you don't have to return it and so on. For me, it's pretty good because I don't usually have to do that. You know, it's usually the model's own and so on, so it's fine. We wet our model because she was covered in sand very intensely. Yes, love that. Love the leg. Yeah, so we're just trying to create as many textures and shapes as possible. We have the really nice palm trees here that are giving us a very nice look. Beautiful. Would be ideal to have a reflector, but we don't. The sun is reflecting quite well anyway.
Got time and we're wasted, no place for the night. I love how you look at me. Feeling
So for today's photos, I actually used my medium dark preset pack, even though my model wasn't necessarily medium dark, but sometimes they just work better and you can still use them on different skin tones. They obviously work best with medium to dark skin tones, but sometimes I just like the colors more, so I just use it this way. If you do like what you see, make sure to check out my website. It's anitasadowska.eu, and you can find a little discount code in the description below as well. And now let's get back into the video. So this is our look number 2. Beautiful. Yes, lovely. Beautiful. So whenever I'm shooting at a new location, I always try and work with what I have. I've never been in this place before. It's literally a beach club that we just went to. We ordered some food and we're shooting here now. So I just try and look around and see what's interesting around us and just kind of go from there, I guess. If I can't location scout, which you did just there, was beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, lovely. One thing that I definitely noticed after shooting with the Canon R5 is how bad this focus is on this guy. It misfires a lot of the time and I have to refocus, so it's a bit annoying, not the end of the world, but something I have to deal with. Beautiful. Yes, I like this tree better. There's a bit more light and it's just better for leaning. I need to spray on this side because you're beautiful. Lovely. I like that. So I'm shooting on 3.5, so I'm still getting some nice depth in the houses behind us, which is kind of nice. Beautiful. I love that. Let me see. Beautiful. And just get the hair off your face a tiny bit. Yeah. As you guys know, I love direct sunlight a lot and I really enjoy working with it, but sometimes I just enjoy working in the shade as well. And I found with Sasha it was just like a perfect opportunity because we had loads of little places to hide from the sun, and the sun was really hot as well, so it was kind of nice to have a bit of a space to just, you know, be a bit cooler. And the light wasn't as harsh, and whenever you're trying to learn how to take photos in natural light, learning in the shade is always easier. You just have to make sure that when you're taking photos in the shade, you're taking photos in the shady area altogether. You are not taking photos of the model in the shade and then there is going to be light behind you, because otherwise it's going to look super overexposed, maybe not that nice. But if you do have access to shade, it's always better to try it there because it's a much more manageable, softer light. Yeah, that's gorgeous. This is the look number 3. We are here at the beach and yeah, we're gonna be taking some photos. Clothing is minimal because it's really hot. Gorgeous. Yeah, lovely. So yeah, we're just moving here because I think it's a bit more of an interesting location rather than beautiful. Yeah, it's gorgeous. That's nice. I like this here because it just adds a bit more texture and it's not just the beach. So that can be a bit boring. Gorgeous. So yeah, whenever I'm shooting at the beach, I'm just trying to find some interesting locations. Beautiful.
One thing that we definitely found difficult was that the sand was super sticky on the day. It was getting everywhere. Once the model lied down, she literally was covered in sand head to toe, which was kind of fun. That's why we played around with some of the shots as well, like, you know, putting the sand on her and so on. But it was a bit intense. So thankfully there was a shower where we were shooting. So it worked in our favor. She was able to just rinse herself a few times in between shots, and then we just reapplied more body oil, and that definitely helped.
Can you step out a tiny bit? Yeah. Yeah. Lovely. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the photos. Thank you so much, Sasha, for letting me cover you in oil and sand and everything. I hope you guys liked the photos. Let me know which look did you like the most. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.
It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time.